that Akbaruddin and Asaduddin Owaisi are speaking about development. They did not let metro come inside old Hyderabad. They have not let any development come inside old Hyderabad. They have not let new infrastructure projects come inside old Hyderabad. The only thing that they have allowed inside old Hyderabad is Rohingya Muslims. So they have no right to speak about development. The party which says give us 15 minutes and we will show Hindus their place has no right to lecture the BJP on secular values and constitutional values. Every single vote to OIC is a vote against India and everything that India stands for.
You have called him Jinnah. You have compared him as a new Jinnah. Why this comparison with Jinnah?
He speaks the language of rabid Islamism and separatism and extremism, which Muhammad Ali Jinnah was also speaking. Which is why every single vigilant Bharatiya must stand up and fight against this divisive menace, communal politics of OIC brothers.
State government says there has been no help from the center when the floods happened in Hyderabad and other issues. How do you counter that?
The world has seen, the country has seen, how whenever there is a national disaster, national difficulty, Narendra Modi ji immediately responds to it, personally visits, goes and takes efforts, whether it is in West Bengal, Kerala or anywhere. In Telangana, unfortunately, KCR never comes out of his farmhouse. Today, the fight in Telangana is between Narendra Modi ji's good governance and KCR's farmhouse governance.
So, my final question, what about family corruption? You have also raised the issue of family corruption. Now, the state president is here. He is also raising state, government and families corruption. Why you have not launched investigation? If there is corruption, why your agency, your government is in power in center? Why you are not launching a corruption?
According to rules, according to law, there is going to be action taken against every single corrupt person in the country. Not just one family or not just one politician. Be rest assured of that. People of Telangana, like people across the country, have decided they must put a full stop, a permanent full stop to family politics. And this is the beginning of the end of KCR family rule in Telangana. The municipal corporation elections in Hyderabad is only the sample. In the coming days, you will see the BJP forming a complete majority government in Telangana.
So you have also mentioned that from Jammu, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the people of India have rejected the family rule. So now we have been seeing Ghulam Nabi Azad's statement that there is an infighting and the higher-ups of the Congress party are using five-star facilities and no proper leadership is there. So what do you have to say on that?
Congress is a failed institution. Congress has no more relevance in India's politics. I don't want to waste my time speaking on an irrelevant party. Let us concentrate on the future of Telangana, the future of Bharat.
TRS has released that they will be communal.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं मानक गुप्ता। अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें और हाँ, हमें सब्सक्राइब और फॉलो करना ना भूलें ताकि आप देश और दुनिया की कोई खबर मिस ना करें। तो जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए न्यूज़ 24।